In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect IPv6 on AdsPower. We'll walk through how to configure an IPv6 proxy inside a single AdsPower profile, then test it and confirm that it's working correctly. This is a simple process, but getting each field right matters, especially when you're entering proxy details manually. Start by opening the AdsPower app. Once you're on the main screen, go to the top left corner and click the New Profile button. This will open the Profile Setup window, where you can configure different settings for that browser profile. Next, scroll down until you find the Proxy Configuration section. This is where you'll enter the connection details for your IPv6 proxy. Under Proxy Type, choose the correct network protocol based on the proxy information you were given. Depending on your provider, this may be HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS 5. It's important to match the protocol exactly, because using the wrong one can prevent the connection from working. After that, move to the proxy host field and paste in your IPv6 address. An IPv6 address is usually a longer combination of numbers and letters separated by colons, so double check that it's copied correctly with no missing characters or extra spaces. Then, enter the proxy port, proxy username, and proxy password provided for your proxy. Be careful when filling in these fields, since even a small typo can cause the proxy check to fail. Once everything is entered, click the Check Proxy button. This allows AdsPower to test the connection before you save the profile, which is a helpful way to catch errors early. Wait for the green success message to appear. When the connection is valid, you should also see the detected country, region, and time zone. After that, click OK at the bottom of the screen to save the settings to your profile. Finally, click Open on the profile to launch the browser. Then go straight to an IP checker like Browser Leaks to confirm that your live identity is showing the IPv6 connection correctly.